Hey guys, this is Brian with Beast Ride DIY. I'm at Lowe's to show you some of their December tool deals and their Christmas deals going on. Now first up we have this folding utility knife set. It's a two-piece set for $17. It was $19. Now I know what you're saying, a lot of these are just going to be continuations from Black Friday, but just hang with me, there's some new deals that I'm going to show you as well. Now from Klein Tools, these are some KT drivers for $19. They were $29. So this is the 5-piece blackout screwdriver set. They had the exact tip precision angles, and these are the blackout limited edition series. Now they had the 2-piece multi-bit adjustable length screwdriver kit as well. And these are going to be $19. I think from Black Friday they still were $29. Now I think this one still is $29. This is the Klein Tools 7-piece impact driver set. And then these are $59 and $42 respectively for the 30-foot self-lying leveling laser tool and the 50-foot tool for $59. That one's $10 off. And this is what the $50 one looks like. It takes 2 AA batteries. Now next up, this is a deal that is cheaper than Black Friday. It's a 25-foot two-pack from Klein Tools. It's $14. It was $24. And this is what they look like. They've got the nice rubberized edges for protection. It has a 13-foot reach as far as how long it's going to stay stiff when you're doing this by yourself, when you're extending it. So they had a few of these left. It looks like they did sell quite a few though. Now for $19, this is the precision cutting and stripping toolkit. It's a 2-piece kit with that rubberized handle, so that's always nice when you're using these a lot. Now for $99, this is the 4-pack dual port charger. It's a 1.5 amp battery 4-port charger from Craftsman. So they did reduce the price on these, I believe. So I guess they've got a few here, or maybe they need some help selling them. But above this, they've got these for $79 still, the 4 amp hour battery 2-pack from Craftsman and the 4 amp hour battery starter kit as well. They still have this one. It's the $99 18-gauge brad nailer. It's the bare tool, but you do get this project pack for free, which has the 18-gauge nails. And this is the tool only, but it does have a 3-year limited warranty on this 18-gauge brad nailer. Now they have the same setup here. This is all the Craftsman stuff from Black Friday, and they'll probably do this until Christmas at least. Now for $9.98, this is the 14-piece gold oxide coated drill bit set, and they also had the 47-piece set. Now this one is magnetized. I think this one's still $9.98. Now for $24, they had the 60-piece drill drive set. This was $29. This is what this one looks like. Drill and driver compatible, obviously, and they're magnetic. So I do like how that has a nice little case, though. Now this is the 61-piece standard and metric polished chrome mechanics tool set for $39. This was $59. I think this is a continuation of Black Friday. So you're getting the 61-piece set here. The nice case. I can't really mess with the case because it's got that alarm on it. It has a 72-tooth low profile ratchet, 39-piece 3/8 drives, and then the 21-piece of the other tools. Now for $69, this was $99. This is a 105-piece mechanic set, so a little bit more that you're getting here with the hard case as well. Now, next up we have this Craftsman metal sawhorse. This has a 1,000-pound capacity per pair. It's $14. It was $22. And this is kind of right when you walk into the store to the left, just FYI. Now, right below it for $99, this was $129. This is the CM VersaStack System Tower. So it's everything here. I kind of wanted to open this and mess with it, but again, it had the alarm, so I didn't mess with it too much here. Now from Kobalt, this was $219. You're getting it for $169. This is the K-Stack storage system. It's you can hold up to 248 pounds as part of their K-Stack 3-piece interlocking storage box system here. So it has a pretty nice look. This is a decrease from Black Friday as well. It's $14. It was $19 for Black Friday, and before that it was $25 on their 21-piece drill and drive set. This is what this looks like here. $65 value, they're saying. Pretty decent, small little standard set here. Might be a nice gift idea. And guys, if you made it this far in the video, please leave a like. It does help the algorithm. And leave a comment as well if you see something that you may want to pick up or may want to keep an eye on for yourself, or tag someone else if you'd like. Now, next up here, there is the 50-piece drill and driver set for $19. I think this does have the speed fit tech on it, which is nice. And they're saying this has a $75 value. Now, this is the 65-piece driving bit set for $9. This is a decrease in price from Black Friday. So a lot of these drill drive sets, you could have just waited after Black Friday or so, and you probably could have gotten some really good deals on these. Now, this is $24. This was $29. So again, you're getting a good deal. I really like the case on this. It's a 106-piece set. And you're even getting these spade sets on here, which is super nice. Now, for $19, I don't think I had seen these before, but it's an LED headlamp or an LED flashlight, so you get to choose which one you want for this price. It has 2 power sources you can choose from, the AAA battery or the rechargeable. This is rechargeable with 6 different modes. 850 lumens on this one, or it can go up to 1,000 lumens if you use its highest brightness mode. Now, this next one I'm going to try out, I think. This is 1,000 lumens or 2,000 lumens if you're on the turbo mode. And of course, you can use the 2 different power modes. It has 5 different light modes and a battery indicator. So let me go ahead and try this to show you the light here. I think that's the turbo mode. It's hard to see in the light in the store, but it has this side lantern mode, which is cool. And you're seeing this a lot now in more of these rechargeable flashlights. Now, check out this portable pancake compressor. It's only $49. I know it's Project Source, which is, I think, the Lowe's general brand, but it's still decent for doing some things around the house if you're going to do some DIY projects. It definitely could come in handy for that price. I wouldn't pass it up necessarily. Now, right next to it, you've got these project cabinets here for $2.99. You've got this 41-inch high-vis workstation with this neon green color. It was $4.49. So you've got this top drawer, which is nice and big, and then the 2 columns of the other drawers. Has this nice wooden top as well. Next to it, you've got the Craftsman S200. It says made in the USA. It has 1,500 pounds of weight capacity. It has a 100-pound drawer load and over 12,000 pounds of cubic inch storage. Now, this is $3.99. The price before it was $4.99. So you're getting some savings here. Again, you had that top drawer with key. You can lock it up. And then the different columns of the drawers here. And this is what it looks like backing up a little bit. Now, right above it for $69 from Craftsman, you're getting this Versa Stack. It's a 30-gallon chest. I think this is about a $20 savings on this one. And it has the rolling wheels you can use. Now, for $199, this was $4.99. It's this 10-tool combo kit from Skill. And you're getting all these tools here, the fan LED light, looks like circular saw cutoff tool, and then the impact drill and driver. Now, this says it's a Power Core 12, and it has different ways of charging. It says 2-way USB charging, which is pretty neat. I didn't know you could charge the Skill tools that way. Now, from Dremel, these are some of their rotary tool kits and oscillating tool kits. $99. This one was $149. That's a pretty decent deal. And then $79. It was $89. And then $10 off the one that's a $49 rotary toolkit, the 3100 one here. I think I have one of those, and I just can't find it. Next is for $129. This Kobalt 24-volt Max XTR 2x18-inch 18-gauge brad nailer. This is $70 off. So this has instant fire tech, and this is going to be cordless with a 5-year warranty. Now, this is, we'll have to get a list of their December deals because that's one of them here. Now, they also have a Kobalt rapid battery charger. This is a 24-volt max tool. Fully charges a 2-amp-hour battery, it says, in 30 minutes. This is $29. It was $49. And then you've got the $19 2-amp-hour battery pack. I think these were the same deals from Black Friday as well. That one was $39. Now, this is a pro deal from Metabo HTP. Their 2.5-inch 16-gauge pneumatic finish nailer for $99. This is what this one looks here. They have a few other deals as well in the back of the store, but these look pretty well stocked. They still have your choice for $149. You can select the 24-volt MT Impact wrench kit, or this one was $199, the 24-volt 2-tool combo kit. That's a tongue twister there. Now this has a 5-year warranty and a 3-year on the battery, and you also get the battery, the 2 amp hour battery and the 85 watt charger on this. This is a pretty decent deal for $149. I wanted to look up the price for this compact 7 1/4 inch sliding miter saw, but I didn't see it. Now they do have storage options as well, from about $8 to $14 if you do need to pick stuff up to put some like wrapping stuff in. They do have that as well. Now for $79, this is a CB Patio Bistro in red. It has infrared tech, so I don't think there's any fire involved, but you're able to cook with the infrared technology, and it is portable, and I think it's a pretty deep discount. I said it was $79 and it was $199. So they had some deals on some portable heating options. This one here is a pretty cool tool. It's a Ninja Woodfire Outdoor 7-in-1 grill. It's $249. It was $369. This is a limited time value. You can use it as a grill, a smoker, as well as an outdoor air fryer. And apparently this uses a convection fan and integrated smoke box tech, where you go ahead and put some wood pellets down in a little section and it self-ignites them. So that's a pretty cool idea. You can use it for a lot of different things, and they have this one on clearance. Now for $169, they had the stainless steel patio heater. I don't know what the price was before, but this looks like it's about 8 feet tall, 7 or 8 feet tall, and it's just a very large heater. I think the price itself is pretty good. I usually had seen those for over $200. Now for $299, this is a Craftsman 2000 series drawer steel chest. This is what it looks like here, and again it was $419 on this one. This is a 6-tool combo kit from Craftsman. It's only $199, and you're getting all these tools here, as well as battery, charger, and a carrying case. So you can see you get the light, circular saw, cutoff tool, and the impact drill and driver. And then you're getting a 2 amp hour battery, charger, and the contractor bag on this one, with a 3-year warranty on everything as far as the tools. And this is another December deal drop for $249. It was $299. You're getting $50 off this Tough Belt Stack Tech 3-piece rolling storage tower. And this is what it looks like with everything on it here. Now this is a buy one, get one. So you're getting the miter saw stand from Dewalt. Not sure why this is on Craftsman when you buy their Dewalt 12-inch miter saw. Now for $199, this is a Craftsman 10-inch sliding miter saw. It was $249, but their price is now $199 on this one. Comes with a 3-year warranty. Kind of a smaller saw, but you know, this is what you get. They're saying that it has a maximum horizontal cutting capacity of 12 inches. And this is what the base looks like. Weighs about 40 pounds, 3.5-inch max cutting vertical capacity. Now this price confused me just a little bit, and let me know if you can see why. So $379 was $449 on this Metabo 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw. Now off to the right here, I had to check it. It said $349. So I guess this one's whatever the lowest one in takes precedent. Was $449 on this one. It's now $349. And this is what it looks like. It's a nice big saw. It's kind of hard to see in the picture, but one thing I really liked about this is it had a nice tall fence here. It just looked like an extra large size fence on the back. And then the little adjustable arm, which looked pretty sturdy as well. But just a nice saw here. And then right over below it, they had the Dewalt miter saw, which I believe this is the one I'm going to show you at the end that has the out of box with the stand. Now this is another deal drop for December. It's $39. It's $20 off their 61-piece mechanics tool set from Craftsman. And this is what this one looks like. I didn't want to mess with it too much because it has the alarm. But right above it, they had one of the gray ones. I think the gray color indicates like one of their Pro or Overdrive models here. This is the 149 121-piece mechanics tool set. So it just has a lot more items in, a lot more tools. And these ones have 2.5 times better access apparently with their ratchets. Now this is a special time offer on their circular saw kit from Kobalt. And then you get a free select tool from Kobalt when you buy one of these deals here. The K-Stack Total Storage Solution with the 24-volt starter kit, or the 2-tool, or I think it's the 4-tool combo kit. So this is actually a better price. When I look down here, it's $129 instead of $149. And this does come with the 2 amp hour battery, a 4 amp hour battery charger, and then that storage, basically a toolbox that it comes with. Now from Craftsman, you get a free select tool when you get one of these deals, the 2 battery pack with the charger, or the 2 tool deal with the impact driver and drill. Next is another December drop deal. This is from Bosch. For your choice for $99, you get this 18 volt 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch brushless impact driver, or the self leveler here. So this is the impact driver, and then your choice for $99. You've got this 50-foot laser level, the $89 165-foot distance measurement tool, or the $89 laser level, the 60-foot. Now from Craftsman, this is $59. It was $79 on this 1/2 inch drill driver. So this is 20 bucks off. This is the drill here for $59. And then right next to it, they have, for the same price, you can choose to get the impact driver as well. So that's pretty good because you're getting the kit with this. You're not just getting the tool. And then right next to this, the saws, they had this other end cap clearance section, which was pretty interesting. A lot of the stuff was gone, but they still had some items here. Just some random items. Looks like they had an LED flashlight for $18, which is not too bad. I think it was 20 something. And then this multi-tool kit from Kobalt is $449. I think that was like $100 off. But some other random items here, some batteries, some saw blades, but just to keep that in mind. That was a buy one, get one deal. You basically get a starter kit from Kobalt and you get one of these tools free. May have gone over that before, but it was just in a different section. From Metabo, you're going to get this 36 4 amp hour battery kit, and you get a tool free. Or when you buy the battery kit, you get one of these tools for free. In Metabo, they kind of have that section just kind of cordoned off between Dewalt and Kobalt in their store. Now for $149, you're going to get this Dewalt 2-tool 20-volt max combo kit. So it's the 2 tools, charger, 2 batteries, and the contractor bag, which is a pretty decent deal on that one. I think that's online as well. And then when you buy one 12-volt extreme kit, you get one of their select max tools for free. And when you buy one of the flex 24-volt tools, you get a free battery and charger. Now that's kind of how things used to be before 2000, or around that time. Now this is a compact 1/4 inch hex impact driver kit, $49. It was $149. So that's what this one looks like here. I'm not sure why the deep discount here. That's $100 off. So I'm just double checking. It has 1,700 max inch pounds of torque. And that's a really good deal on that one. But really not sure why unless they're discontinuing that or something. But now turning right back around on Bosch, you basically buy one of their starter kits and you're going to get one of their free 18-volt Pro Factor tools for free here. And then they had all the tools up top. Well, I think the starter kits, unfortunately, will lock down below on the bottom here, just I guess due to all the recent events. Now this is that Dewalt miter saw, and this is it on the stand, and you're getting that stand for free, so they just had that out. Now from Bosch, again, this is that free starter kit. It's the 2 battery pack or the 4 amp hour battery with starter kit when you buy one of these select nailer tools. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and go ahead and check out this next video.